as we don't get caught in the dark, I think we should be fine.
No, guys, I'm gonna make a heart out of that twig and that one. Nah,
Jesse, you just do it.
Yeah, you do that. You bloody frickin' moron.
But which way was it?
We came from that way. So.
No, Michael, we came from that way.
No, I think we came from that way.
Okay, hang on. We're gonna go up the mountain,
Let's have a stick.
and we'll sort it out from there.
Where are we going?
Guys, we do not know where we are. We are helpless
shit.
in the bush.
Where are we, man?
Help.
Why are we even going into the bush?
Well, guys, look there.
I'll go first. I'll go second.
Oh, good. No,
Let's just stop. Did you hear that? Just go. You'll hear it. Go this way.
I think I hear twigs snapping.
Shh, stop. Hang on.
Well, guys, too far.
Do you hear that?
No.
No, it sounds like a hissing noise.
Shit. What the hell is that? What the...
Where's Nico?
Nico! Nick!
Matt!
What's that? It's coming out. Ah!
Where's Matt?
Where is he? Matt! Where's Matt?
Where's Matt?
Where is he?
Ah!
Where's Michael?
He's dead on the floor!
Where's Michael? Jack!
No, I'm still alive. Oh my god.
Okay. Look, let's. Look. I think the only way
stubbed my toe!
we're gonna get out of here is if we just
Oh
let's.
no, guys! The bush is moving! Oh shit!
Something. There's something in
I
here.
think it's a native Jessie bird. Oh, Michael was telling us about that until he got taken. I know, Michael, he's...
Wait! I see something in the bush.
Oh god, no! Ah!
Run away! Run! Oh!
Shit!
Hang on! Wait! Stop!
What? What is that?
Oh shh! Ah no! He's coming! River! Ah! Oh shit! Oh no! Run! He's coming! Oh no! Ah!
Jake,
help me!
I can't! They're coming!
Get me!
Ben! No! Stop!
The last that was ever saw of the group was now dead and hanging from trees. You shall never see the zombie apocalypse again.